Let's dive straight into a powerful Premiere Pro trick that will revolutionize your editing, arranging your video footage date-wise. This simple technique ensures your story unfolds exactly as it happened, making your entire post-production workflow so much smoother. First, open your Adobe Premiere Pro project. You'll see your imported clips in the project panel if your clips aren't already displaying their date information. We need to add that column. Right-click anywhere in the column headers of your project panel. That's the area with names like name, media, duration, etc. from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Metadata Display. A new window will pop up in the available metadata fields. Find Date Created and Date Modified. Check the boxes next to both of these, then click OK. Now, with your metadata visible, the next crucial step is to go back to your project panel. Look for the column headers again. Click on the Date Created column header. You'll see a small arrow next to it. Clicking it once will sort your clips chronologically from oldest to newest. Click it again, and it will reverse the order, displaying them from newest to oldest. Choose the order that best suits your project's narrative needs for most chronological storytelling. Oldest to newest is the way to go. Once sorted, you can easily drag and drop your clips into your timeline in chronological order. No more hunting for the right clip. They're already laid out for you. This makes building your sequence, ensuring smooth transitions between events, and maintaining a clear narrative flow incredibly efficient. Imagine how much time this saves when you have hundreds of clips. You can further refine this by using ingest settings or by creating separate bins for different dates if you have multiple shoots. But for immediate organization, sorting by date created is your fastest path to a streamlined workflow. And that's it. You've just learned how to arrange your video date-wise in Premiere Pro, unlocking a more organized and efficient editing experience. Give it a try on your next project.